Драги ученици, добър ден! Јас сум Елизабета Алексовска, наставник по англиски јазик при Основното училиште Ванчо Прке во Штип. Денес ќе одржиме еден видео час за четврто оделение на тема What's the weather like? Драги ученици, дали сте спремни да учиме? Материјал кој ќе ви биде потребен за денес е вашата тетрадка, прибор за пишување и учебникот по англиски јазик. Please open your books on page 68. Okay, let's start. You can see an email from Danny. Do you remember who Danny is? He's Rob and Lucy's cousin. Listen and read the email.
Lesson 33. What's the weather like? Exercise 1. Read. Rob and Lucy get an email from their cousin Danny in Australia.
Hi guys, how's life? We're staying with our friends in Sydney. Their house is amazing. There's a tennis court next to the house and a sound system in the pool. How cool is that? The weather is very hot and sunny. Mum and Dad are sunbathing. Our friends are swimming at the moment. They're training for the Olympics. Just joking. I'm learning to swim underwater. What's the weather like in London? Is the sun shining or is it raining? Cheers, Danny.
Okay. Now we have some questions about the text. You can stop the video now and write the answers in your notebooks. And then we are going to check the answers. Let's check now. Question number 1. Who is Danny? He is Rob and Lucy's cousin. Question number 2. Where is he staying? He is staying with friends in Sydney. Question number 3. Where is the tennis court? It's next to the house. Question number 4. What's in the pool? A sound system. Question number 5. Is it hot in Sydney? Yes, it is. Question number 6. What is Danny learning to do? He's learning to swim underwater. Now we are going to learn some new words about the weather. Кога прашуваме какво е времето, велиме What's the weather like? Погледнете ги сликите и речениците под нив, за да научиме како да одговараме на прашањето What's the weather like? Now listen and repeat.
Lesson 33. Exercise 3. New words. The weather. Listen and repeat. 1.
It's hot.
2.
It's cold.
3.
It's warm.
4.
It's raining.
5.
It's foggy.
6.
It's sunny. The sun is shining.
7.
It's cloudy.
8.
It's windy.
9.
It's snowing.
За да го увежбаме вокабуларот за време, ќе изработиме една вежба. Овде може да видиме една мапа на која се прикажани 8 градови. In the next exercise, you can see a map with 8 places. Write down the names of the places in the list in your notebooks. As you listen, answer the questions about the weather in each place. Във вашите тетрадки запишете ги овие 8 градови и додека ја слушате снимката, напишете какво е времето во секој од овие места. Now listen and do the exercise.
Lesson 33, Exercise 4. Listen and speak. A. Listen and match the places with the correct weather. 1,
It's a lovely, warm, sunny day here in Sydney.
2,
Well, here in Edinburgh, it's very grey and cloudy.
3,
I'm afraid the weather isn't very nice in Ankara today. It's raining hard.
4,
Well, here in Athens, it's a winter's day. It's snowing at the moment, so the children are happy.
5,
It's a foggy day in London today. Really horrible. Stay at home if you can.
6,
In Auckland, it's a warm day, and it isn't raining at the moment.
7,
Hi from Rio. It's fantastic here. Very hot.
8,
Here in Warsaw, it's a beautiful day. It's very, very cold, but the skies are blue.
Во ред, сега може да ги провериме одговорите. Number 1. What's the weather like in Sydney? It's sunny. Number 2. What's the weather like in Edinburgh? It's cloudy. Number 3. What's the weather like in Ankara? It's raining. Number 4. What's the weather like in Athens? It's snowing. Number 5. What's the weather like in London? It's foggy. Number 6. What's the weather like in Auckland? It's warm. Number 7. What's the weather like in Rio? It's hot. And number 8. What's the weather like in Warsaw? It's cold. Се надевам дека точно ги одговоривте прашањата. The last exercise for today is to complete the postcard with the present continuous form of the verbs in brackets. So you can stop the video now and do the exercise. Okay, let's check the answers. Hi, how are you? We are in New York. We are staying with our aunt and uncle. At the moment, we are sitting in a cafe. I'm writing postcards and Tom is phoning his girlfriend. Mom and Dad are taking photos. The weather is horrible. It's raining. What's it like in London? Is it raining there too? What are you and your brother doing these days? See you soon, Rosie. Се надевам дека точно ја одговоривте и оваа вежба. And finally, homework. Imagine you're on holiday in your country. Write a postcard to a British friend. Include where are you, who are you staying with, what are you doing, and what's the weather like. За домашна работа треба да замислите дека сте на одмор во нашата држава и да напишете разгледница до едно другарче од Британија. Треба да напишете каде сте, со кого сте или каде престојувате, што правите таму и какво е времето. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you and goodbye. See you soon.